showing you the basic steps of Unity, how to create terrain, how to add trees, how to add textures to the terrains, and how to add a skybox. So first of all, let us create a terrain. Go to terrain in the menu and say create terrain. So if you want to know what is a terrain, so this is a terrain. It's like a plane. This is where your game is based on. Actually, this is a very important thing almost in all the scenes which you are going to create. So let's set a text to terrain because it looks this plain. So go to the inspector column and there will be a brush like thing. So click on that and go to edit textures, add texture, and you can add whatever textures you want. I'm gonna add a grass texture. So select grass hill and say add. So there you go, you have your texture right and fine. So since this is flat, let's add some mountains. How to add mountains is you have just go and click this in the inspector column and you have different types of mountain ranges, different shapes. So you can click on this because that's what I really want. So let's add some mountains. Just left click and you will have your mountains. There you go. That should do. So another important thing is that almost in all the games which you're going to make, remember your map may look a little brighter, but still when you're playing the game it won't look as which you expect. So let us create some light. Go to game object and create other and go to point light. This will create the duty of the sun. So let's position it by clicking this. Before that, let's set up the range. This is the distance of how much the distance where the light is going to touch. So let's make it 500 and let's change the intensity to 1.1. Okay, that should do. So there you go, we have a beautiful light and that should do. So let's create some trees in this empty countryside. How to create trees is that you have in your hierarchy view, you go to terrain, select the terrain and go to this icon in the inspector column, place trees, and go to edit trees, add tree, and add a tree of your specified choice. I'll say thin tree and say add. You have your brush size, you can reduce the tree density, and there we go, we have beautiful trees. Let's set up the height. On some occasions not have trees and your whole application may shut down saying there's a bug error in your trees. So some applications have that. It's just that you have to get the complete version of the Unity, not the demo or a copied version also. So you have your trees. So adding grass, you just click the terrain again and go to this in the inspector column and go to edit details, add grass texture, and you add the specified grass. There you go, add it and say add, and let's reduce the opacity, and there we go, we have beautiful grass everywhere. That's how you add grass. So there we go, we have grass. So let's add a skybox now. Go to adding a skybox is just simple. Go to edit and say render settings, and there you go. This is in the inspector column. As you can see, this is where you're gonna add the skybox. Remember, edit render settings. So now in the project view, you're going to select the skybox. Let me just select dawn dusk skybox. So this I'm going to drag inside the Skybox material, which you see in the inspector column. So here we go, Dawn Dust Skybox. So by clicking it, we can see it. There we go, we have a beautiful skybox. So let's get some fog, because since this is a countryside, let's get some fog. So just click it, take the fog in the inspector column, and we have beautiful fog here, as you can see. So that's it I'm going to show in this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed. And one more thing, if you want some materials like skybox and trees, and if you don't have one, you can go to assets, import package, and you have some existing packages. You can, if you want, you can get skyboxes, terrain assets for trees and stuff. So that's how you get the custom packages of the skybox and the other assets. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.